in 2017, while we were deliberating on the 2018 GAA, or national budget, I questioned this particular project. Why? Because the right-of-way issues have not been resolved. No? And it was my argument at that time that we should first resolve the right-of-way issues before we even fund the construction of roads and bridges. Now, ang nangyari po rito, nagkaroon pa rin ng funding for 2018. In 2018, ang description, Eastern Interior Road Section including right-of-way and bridge, Cagayan de Oro City, 200 million pesos. Wala po tayo nakitang bridge. Another item, Eastern Interior Road Section with tunnel, Cagayan de Oro City, 150 million. Wala po tayo nakitang tunnel. Ang total na so far na pumapasok dito sa project, because we talked with the, I think, regional director, no? Si Eduarte, Virgilio Eduarte. Ang sabi niya, hindi na naging viable or feasible yung paggawa ng tunnel. So, abandoned. But then again, my question is, gumastos na tayo rito ng 1.791 billion pesos kung isasama natin yung proposed budget under the 2021 GAB na 414.5 billion pesos. Question, mag-appropriate pa ba tayo uli ng 414 billion after spending, sabihin natin 1.3, 1.4 billion pesos for a project that is no longer feasible? Alam nyo, ang hinaharap dyan, kindly flash yung yan. We expected this project way back in January 2019. Ayan po yung itsura ng January 2019. We went back just last month, October 2020. Now, kindly spot the difference. And between 2015 and 2020, 70 million, 110 million, 150 million, 200 million, 200 million, 150 million, 130 million, all the way down.
I think what I would do is I would express initially any openness to any amendments the good gentleman, His Honor, would want to make at the proper time. And perhaps maybe we give some of the project proponents or the agencies tasked to handle these projects to give them a chance to respond. Although some of the pictures really are quite, well, there is an expression in law, res ipsa loquitur, or the thing speaks for itself, Your Honor. So in a way, they are self-explanatory. There doesn't seem to be any change in that photograph in answer to your question, Your Honor. So definitely, I think we can make adjustments and we can be flexible, Your Honor.